Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the ING banking app, unbiased review, and real feedback. And the ING banking app remains a fan favorite for its simplicity and the high yield perks associated with the Savings Maximizer account. The app's design is clean and intuitive, focusing on high speed everyday tasks like instant transfers and clear transaction categorization. So the standout pro is that the seamless tracking of your monthly eligibility criteria. It shows you exactly how many card purchases and deposits you have left to unlock the top tier interest rate. Real world feedback highlights the unbeatable ATM fee refunds and zero international transaction fee, which are still industry leading for travelers. However, the biggest con is that the app can feel a bit basic compared to neobanks like Up. It lacks deep budget forecasting tools and roundup features that younger users now expect. Furthermore, while reliable customer support is pro predominantly phone-based rather than integrated into a live in-app chat. So if you want a no-nonsense, high-interested bank hub with world-class travel perks, ING is the gold standard, but don't expect the flashy financial health gadgets found in new competitors.